Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Bossrox DIY Solar, and this video is for my gardening playlist. And before I get into the topic, I just wanted to show you the garden I've got already. I put, I think, 5 or 6 zucchini plants in here, and some tomatoes, and some cantaloupe, and some fava beans. And zucchini is just about taking over everything. It's probably suffocating all the other plants in there. But anyways, it is doing so bodacious, I just can't hardly believe it. Pretty good for a first-time gardener, huh? Well, anyways, getting to the topic here is building raised bed garden boxes for real cheap. You know, this gardening gets pretty expensive here, so when you can find a way to cut corners, that's something you always want to look forward to. So anyways, this is my strawberry patch here, and that box probably cost me about 25 bucks, not counting the pipe in it. And that one over there, that's a real short one. That's only, oh, what the heck? I don't know. That's, I think, 5 foot by 12 inches. That one was really cheap, but here's the big one right here. This one is 10 foot long by 18 inches wide, 12 inches high. And that ran me about $25. And what I'm using is the backer boards that they use in like showers, bathrooms, and stuff like that. And they also use it for floor underlayment. And what it is it's like concrete. It's a concrete board. So I mean, all you got to do is take one of these things right here, cut it to size, and just take you some stakes here. And if you're like me, where you're doing wood projects all the time and you got all kinds of scrap wood laying around, it wouldn't cost you anything in lumber to make these spikes here to stick into the ground to support your box. So anyway, I've got some scattered all over the place, and I'm going to end up building a whole bunch of them. And seeing as how this one plant here is taking over my whole garden and just about suffocating everything else, I'm going to start all kinds of different boxes for individual plants so that they can each have their own space. But anyways, I thought that was pretty neat that I could build a box like that for that cheap. And I just wanted to pass along the information to y'all. Oh, by the way, I checked on if there's any toxic chemicals in this backer board here that could get into the soil and poison the plants and poison you after eating it. And what I found out is it is chemically inert, and all the chemicals that are, whatever chemicals are in that backer board there, is stable, and it won't leach anything into the soil and poison your plants and get into you. So anyways, it's safe to use this stuff. The only thing is I would take my posts, I'm using treated wood, and set the post on the outside, because you don't want the treated wood in contact with the dirt. Even though the treated wood nowadays isn't the same as the old arsenic wood that they used to use years back, it's probably still got some chemicals in it that aren't too good for you. So I put all my stakes on the outside of the box rather than on the inside, and just screw the panels to the stakes, and that's it. You're done. You got yourself a box. So it's just as simple as that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Leave some comments if you want to, and I'll get back to you as soon as I see them. Thanks for watching.